to another episode of Math Snacks with Miss Glovely and Miss Wonderful. Miss Glovely, I really love your gloves you're wearing today.
Aren't they pretty? These are a special pair from Granny.
I love them. Would you call that like pink or purple or
fuchsia? I'm thinking fuchsia.
I like it pretty bright.
Yep. Well, that's like me, pretty bright.
I'm wondering where your granny wore those pretty bright gloves.
That woman could wear anything she wanted.
She could pull it off.
You bet.
Well, today's episode, we're talking about area and perimeter.
Cool.
So
I like area and perimeter.
And we got these lovely, colorful color tiles out here.
I like color tiles.
So what should we start with first?
Let's pretend we're making a pin for my dogs. I like it when it's in context.
Okay.
And I want to know how much fencing to go by.
That's perimeter.
Well, that is perimeter if I'm doing fencing, but I also want to make sure that my dogs have lots of room to run around in because I love my dogs.
So you want lots of area.
Inside the fence.
Inside the fence, which would be the perimeter.
You are so good.
So tell me what I have to work with. What's the parameters here? What do you want me to work with?
Let's start small. Let's start small because I have one small dog.
Okay.
So Bubby we're only going to use 6 of those.
You only want the area to be 6 of these?
Oh, yeah, let's just start that way. Start small.
What? Do I get to just start?
Don't throw. No. Don't throw.
I can throw them. I can't throw them. But it's so much fun. Okay.
Bubby's pin is only going to have 6 square. We'll say those are yards.
Okay.
So that makes it a little more room for him.
Okay.
6 square yards.
So I could do it in a lot of ways. I could make his yard look like that.
You could.
I could make his yard look like that.
You could.
I can make it look like that.
Wow, that's a long dog run.
Or I can make it look like that.
You could.
So are you wanting I'm going to have the same area no matter how I do it.
Right, because you only get to use 6 of those tiles.
So I only have 6 square yards. No matter how I put them, they're still 6 square yards.
So if we wanted him to have the most room to run around, do you have a specific way to arrange those?
Like run around the fencing? Like the inside of the fencing?
No, just have plenty of room to go around in. Would it matter how you arrange them?
No, not really.
Okay. So then I've got an idea. Let's think about cost.
Okay.
I want to spend as little as possible because I do only get paid a teacher's salary.
And you know what? The economy's really bad.
So I don't want to have to buy a whole lot of fencing. So I want to use as little fencing as I can on this project. So how are you going to place those squares?
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14 yards. Those are yards again.
14 yards.
14 yards.
So I got to get them closer together if I'm going to have fewer yards, right?
Yes, you do.
Okay, so how about if I try something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 yards.
That's better.
Less.
That's less. That would cost me less. I like that arrangement better. And is there any way you could do that? Oh, can't stack them.
Stack them?
No stacking. No stacking.
Well, let's see. I don't think I can get any less.
I don't think you can either, probably.
1, 2, what I have, 10?
10. Who's your smallest?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nope.
Okay, so from what we've learned from this one at least, is we think that the smallest size perimeter is
10.
That shape, 10. Okay? What if I allowed you to make a pin for Bart, which is my bigger dog, and I'm going to let you have 3 more of those tiles. So now we're up to 9. But we still don't want to spend a lot of money. I want the smallest amount of fencing possible. What's my area now?
9 square units.
9, but they're still yards for me.
Oh, square yards.
Square yards.
9 square yards.
Okay.
And the fencing now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. Can you make less? I really don't want to spend that much.
I think I can because it seems like every time I make a corner like that, I've got like 2 sides I have to count. Like this square, I'm having to count 3 sides of this one square because of the way it's sitting.
Okay.
So if I can get it closer,
Ooh.
I've got an idea.
What did you just make it into?
I made it into a square.
Let's
a
see.
3x3 square.
So you covered a whole lot of sides that way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They're connected with each other's sides, so they don't have to count as the outside fence.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. That is less.
That's quite a bit less.
That's quite a bit less. I would have to spend less money. I'm liking it all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So we've made that into a square, and that seems to be the smallest perimeter you could make using 9 square tiles. Let's see if it works one more time. Let's increase it to 16 tiles. How many more are you going to add to it now?
9 to 16? 7.
7. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, guess
I
what?
ran
You're out of red.
So I'm going to have to use some different colors. There's 2 of them. And I'll do, this is water. That'll be water.
Oh, there's going to be a pool for my big Labrador. He will like that.
So there you got 1, 2, we got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
He's going to like this pool idea. I can tell you.
We'll even put it in the middle for him.
Oh, you are nice.
Okay. So I have 16. I want to make as close to a square as possible.
We think. That's our conjecture that we're
I think it really is right because see, all these sides are touching other sides, so you don't have to, they're not on the outside.
They're not on the perimeter.
They're not on the outside.
You're right. It's
That's
going to be
the
kind of
shallow
a,
end.
that's the shallow end for poor little Bubby who doesn't like water anyway. That's good.
Okay. So do you want me to take the pool out for
No.
Bubby? Okay.
Bubby can walk around the outside.
Okay.
He'll stay on the perimeter. Get it?
You're just so smart, Miss.
I'm
Lovely.
smart.
Smart.
I am.
I can't quite get it to go together.
It's close enough. I think.
Driving me crazy.
Okay, let me help you. I don't want you to be crazy. You're already kind of crazy the way it is.
Okay.
There we go.
So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what? I don't even need to count. I don't even have to count that anymore.
Really?
It's 4 and 4 is 8. And that's going to be double that. Or one of these is 4 and there's 4 sides, so 16.
There you go. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
16. And if we had laid those out in a straight line, it would have been a lot longer than that, wouldn't it have?
Yes, it would. If you're interested in more information about math snacks, or you'd like to bring Miss Glovely or Miss Wonderful to your classroom, call Miss Glovely, Renee Smith, at 620-663-9566.